One of the most rewarding career paths an individual can pursue is nursing, the largest occupation in the healthcare industry. Licensed practical nurses, or LPNs, provide and coordinate patient care in a very wide variety of settings, including hospitals, physicians' offices, home health care, nursing care facilities, outpatient clinics, and much more. The Practical Nursing Program at Georgia Northwestern Technical College prepares students to become competent and ethical licensed practical nurses that provide highly personalized patient care in the clinical setting and beyond.
Probably the biggest thing as far as the program was the instructors in the classroom and in the clinical setting, because they were so hands-on and they were so concerned with us and so supportive, and they wanted the best for us and they wanted us to do well and achieve. And even now when I see them, I mean, they're constantly just wanting us to do better and build us up. And that relationship, I think, really helped me because I felt like I wasn't by myself.
GNTC offers the Practical Nursing Diploma for students that want to pursue a licensed practical nursing career track. LPNs provide basic medical care, monitor patient health, and are responsible for the comfort of the patient. They work under the supervision of a physician or registered nurse. Once a student completes the program, they need to take the National Council Licensure Examination for Practical Nursing for the state they plan to work in as an LPN.
I chose to be in this program because of being able to take care of different kinds of people, as the diverse culture, knowing that they need my help and that I can provide it. Just being able to care for them, because I am a kind person that care about people, so knowing that I can help them, it's a real great feeling.
In addition to caring for and educating patients, LPNs also provide emotional support to patients and their families.
You'll have those moments with certain patients where they'll hug you or just hold your hand, and you know you're right where you're supposed to be in the correct profession.
According to the United States Department of Labor, employment of licensed practical nurses is projected to grow 12% from 2016 to 2026, faster than the average for all occupations.
It is easily the most rewarding profession. The first time you get to watch somebody learn how to walk again, or the first time you get to teach somebody something, or the first time you get to watch somebody have their first meal that they've had in months. I mean, it's so rewarding.
As the population continues to get older and with people living longer due to new discoveries in medicine, there will always be a very high demand for qualified LPNs. So, if you're looking for a rewarding career in a fast-paced environment that employs critical thinking skills and a commitment to lifelong learning, then consider a career as a licensed practical nurse.
I personally love long-term care. I love being able to see the same people every day, being able to have those relationships built.
It's really hands-on, and they have a lot of materials, basically everything you need to succeed out in the real world. And what really helps out is going out to the clinicals and actually hands-on on a real-life patient.
You really have a variety of what you want to do. It's not just like one type of nursing. I think that's wonderful.
To find out more about GNTC's Practical Nursing Program, visit our website or give us a call for more information.